Okay, I'm reloaded.
C10, yeah, that's all that I see. Hit the club, everybody on me. Niggas mad cause they wanna be me. Ain't no other man that I'd rather be. On my chest, I got VVs. On her chest, she got DDs. Eating good like I'm greedy. Know I make it look easy. YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, so right now we are going to have a trading session. All right, now before we get into this trading session, if you are not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. If you're new to this channel, I want to let you know now, I am not one of these corny traders that you see on here. Like, I'm not a teacher, I'm not claiming to be some kind of guru or anything like that, but hey man, I'm pretty good at this. I've kind of been doing this for a little minute, man. So we're gonna trade live. Also, did I say if you're not subscribed already? I already said that. If you want to make some money with me, all right, it's 3 different levels of making money with me, all right? The first level is pretty much getting like my ebooks, you feel me? Getting my knowledge, you feel me? If you want to get the ebooks, the links are in the bio. If you want to join my learning community, the links are in the bio. If you want to actually work with me personally, if you want to, have my phone number and be able to call me and be able to talk to me and get my investment course with the Bridge CEO, if you want to become a member of the Bridge CEO, the link is in the bio or in the description. I always say bio because I'm so used to Instagram and TikTok and stuff. So, but the links are in the description. So if that's you, go ahead and click those links. Right now, we are going to trade OTC, all right, because it's Friday. It is 12:52 right now, and the market is closed. Now, what is OTC? OTC means over the counter. So that pretty much means that you aren't really trading the real market because the real market is closed. You're trading against the broker. All right. Now, a lot of people say, bro, don't trade OTC. That's like gambling. That's because these niggas don't know what they doing. You feel me? I ain't the best trader in the world, but hey, man, I'm pretty straight at it. All right. So let's get straight into it. I feel like it was something else I wanted to say, but it's all good. So right now we are looking at Euro Rub. And as you can see, it's been a downtrend. And it just broke this level of resistance, and resistance usually turns to support. So I'm gonna just draw this level. I'm expecting it to go to this level and then continue to rise. All right. So let me draw another one. I do not want it to go below this level. If it goes below this level, then I'm probably gonna lose a trade. I mean, if I lose, I lose. It's all good. All right, but as you can see, it's going up. It's a lot of people that's buying it right now. You feel me? It's been going down. You got people selling it, you got people buying it. But I want to hit that first level before it continues to rise. All right, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. One of the biggest things when it comes to trading is patience, is discipline. If you can have patience and discipline, then you can, that's like the first step to being a good trader. It's like all psychology. All right, so it's close to it. It didn't touch it yet. Ooh, it's close to it. It's gonna drop. Boom. All right, we in that shit. We're gonna get in again. Ah, there we go. There we go. We're gonna get in again and again. All right, cool. So we are in this joint 4 times. All right, now I'm expecting it to rise. All right, I got in 4 times. Let me draw. Now, it might drop a little bit more. If it dropped below this next level, then I definitely lost. But as you can see, we definitely up. We got 34 seconds left. And yeah, man, we up. We got, what, $7,200. If we win, that's how much we're gonna make. We pretty much just risked our whole account. Let's go to the 15-second candles. I don't like the way that look. Let's go back. All right, so we got about 12 seconds before we either win or lose these trades. As you can see, we definitely winning. It went straight to the levels. Like, look at it. It hit it perfect. Oh, 2, 1. Boom. We won 1 trade. 2, 1. We won the next trade. 1. Boom. We won the next trade. Boom. We won the next. We just won all 4 trades in a matter of a minute. So that was like, what, 5 bands? 5 bands in 1 minute? All right, now. I'm expecting it to continue to rise, so I'm gonna just draw this ray. My bad, I'm not really good at drawing like on here. I never really mark up charts on this thing. But I'm expecting it to rise. Now, I'm not gonna get into any more trades simply because I'm gonna trade this just like my real account. You know, I'll be reading the comments, people say, oh bro, yeah, you know, you could do it on demo, but try doing it on a real account. Listen, man, the moment you can trade your demo like a real account, that's when you'll have success. All right, you gotta trade, you gotta be emotionless. So I just drew this next level of resistance. If I expect it to go up, then I expect it to hit that level of resistance. That's that top line. And then once it hits that resistance, more than likely that resistance is gonna turn to support, and it's gonna hit that level again, and it's gonna continue to rise. All right, now it's bigger than just support and resistance. When it comes to trading HFX or Forex, support and resistance is like, I mean, everybody knows support and resistance, but everybody loses when it comes to trading. So clearly support and resistance is not what y'all think it is. All right, but we're just gonna sit here and wait. We got 3 seconds left. I'm expecting this next candle to definitely hit that level. There we go, boom, it hit the level. I do not want it to go below this level. This level right here, I don't want it to go below that level, but as you can see, it's following my trend line. I said I wanted it to continue to go up, and it's going up. All right, now as you can see, boom, good shit. I want to get into that shit. All right, so now let's pick out some targets. So this is where I wanted to hit this level. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, just because sometimes, like, when you try to be perfect, it doesn't really work. So I'm gonna just put it at a level, you feel me? Or an area. So I'm expecting it to hit this area. That's the top two lines that I just drew. We got 9 seconds, 8 seconds before this candle closes. And honestly, we just gotta wait. I'm not gonna get into any more trades simply because I'm gonna trade this like a real account. I done came up a couple bands in a matter of 1 minute, you feel me? So, I mean, look at it. It's going straight to the level that I said it was gonna go to. Let me draw a rectangle. I never drew on here before. So this is where I really wanted to go. I'm expecting it to hit that. It's getting closer and closer. And it's like, damn, I want to sell it, but I'm definitely not going to. But as you can see, man, I'm drawing this out right in front of y'all, like literally. And it's doing exactly what I'm saying. It went up, it went down to my area of resistance or support, then it continued to rise. And hey man, like this is a good night. You feel me? Yeah, it's demo, but if this was real, I still would have been winning. It's the same exact thing. Let's draw another rectangle. Now I'm gonna show you where I wanted to retrace before it continues to go up, if it let me fucking do it. All right. So it's gonna go down to this level before it rises, or this is where I want it to go. If I lose, I lose. I'm not gonna get in it, but I just want to be right. All right, so this is where I'm expecting it to go before it continues to rise. So I'm gonna draw another trend line. All right, and so I want it to come to this area before it continues to go up. All right, and I mean, if it does it, then hey, I don't want to hear no more haters in the fucking comments. I don't want to hear no more niggas saying I don't know how to trade. I don't want to hear none of that shit. If I lose, I lose. But hey, man, I already done made my profit for the day. You feel me? I already got my fix of being correct for the day. So I'm straight. You feel me? So regardless of what happened, I really don't care because I'm not in the market. You know, now I'm low-key just practicing, honestly. Like that's exactly what this is, me practicing. And that's the only way you're gonna get better at it. Practice makes perfect. All right, so now we pretty much just watching it. Like I said, I'm not getting in any more trades. But I wanted to hit this level before it continues to rise. Boom, it's going down to it. It's literally doing exactly what I wanted to do, and it's doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. Now, when it comes to this box of support, I don't know how long it's gonna stay in that area. It would be perfect if it hit it, and it'll be perfect if it just continues to rise right now. Like that'd be ideal. But honestly, I mean, I don't really know, because it didn't hit the line that I wanted to hit. You feel me? So all right, boom, it just hit the line. and let's see what happens. Shit, I want to get in. I'm not gonna do it though. Like, it literally hit the line perfect. Shit. I'm right though. Like, it's doing exactly, like, you see it. It's doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. Like, so many people missing out on value, man. Like, my videos, bro, they don't even be getting views like that. And I'm literally, I don't know if this is valuable to you. If you kind of learning something, then drop a wave in the comments, man. Or if you got questions, go ahead and ask your questions. Like I said, if you want to work with me, or if you want to get access to the education that I have access to, if you want to get the investment courses, if you want to get marketing courses, if you want to learn how to make money online, click the links in the description. Of course, it does cost money, but everything costs money, you know. How you gonna be a Forex trader, or how you gonna want to be an investor, but you don't want to invest? Like, the fuck? That don't make sense. So, I mean, it's just playing around in this level. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's really just playing in this level. And we just gonna have to wait. We gonna wait and see. I want to get in so bad. Shit, I want to get in. It's like, it's at the level, man. I really want to get in it. Wait, hold on. The fuck just happened? Oh, wow. Alright. I think my internet is messed up. I don't know. Okay, so that's so gay. Why it's gonna happen when I'm recording, son? That's wild. Alright, so this right here, just weird how this whole thing just happened. So my internet just went out. It's crazy how it went out while I'm recording. I hope the screen record just saved, because if it didn't, that's gonna be tragic. And then also I ran out of memory while I was recording too. So I guess I'm gonna just take it as a sign from the universe, a sign from God telling me, like, yo, do not get in any more fucking trades. All right. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send like a screenshot just to see if I'm right or wrong, just because I do want to know if I'm right. But at the end of the day, when it comes to trading, when it comes to investing, this is a real skill. You know, this is something that you're gonna have to put in time with. You're gonna have to actually learn. And I definitely apologize if you didn't get any kind of value from. Nah, fuck that. I don't apologize. You feel me? But if you didn't get value from this, I said it from the beginning, bro. Sis, I'm not a teacher. You know, I'm not an instructor. Like, I'ma just tell you. However I articulate these words, like, that's just how it is. You feel me? Like, I'm trading while I'm teaching. Like, that shit hard to do. It's harder than what you think. You know, trying to explain what you're doing out loud while you're doing it. So, especially when it's high frequency like that. So, it is what it is. You know, but if you got some kind of value from this, go ahead and like the video. If you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. Hey, man. If you are on the wave, if you are subscribed, drop the waves in the comments. Like, what's really good with you? You feel me? I'm more than just a trader. Yeah, I'm pretty good at trading. I'm not the best trader in the world. So a lot of niggas that's way better than me. But a lot of these niggas is corny. A lot of these niggas are whack on YouTube. And yeah, man, I keep it 100, as you can see, man. As you can see, I got the do-rag going, man. I do what I want, man. All right? If you want to make some money with me, it's 3 different levels. Remember, the first level, if you want to get my ebooks, if you want to get my actual knowledge, that is in my ebooks. All right? Click the link in the description to get my ebooks. If you want to get a little bit closer to me and become a part of my community, my learning community, click the link in the description to become a part of my learning community. If you want to actually work with me, have access to me, get an investment course, get the Bridge University. The Bridge University is a course that's going to help you make money at the end of the day. When it comes to trading, when it comes to building a business online, when it comes to just making money on the internet, that's what the Bridge University is. I'm probably gonna make a little bit more videos about the Bridge University just so you guys can really understand exactly what I'm talking about. other than that, man, like, I appreciate y'all. You know, I fuck with y'all because y'all fuck with me. I do want to let y'all know I'm more than just a fucking Forex trader. You feel me? I'm more than just a Forex nigga. Like, I do a lot of other stuff. I'm actually good at a lot of stuff, son. You feel me? So, yeah, man. I fuck with y'all because y'all fuck with me. Let me know what kind of videos that y'all want to see. And that rhymed right there. End of the day, you already know how it go. Here at the Bridge CEO. That's the wrong outro. I say that. I do that shit every time. That's the wrong outro, man. That's the outro to my mentees, man. Shout out to everybody that's a part of the Bridge. All right, but stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy. Because waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk on what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.